Hello, savvy explorers. Before we dive into our exciting journey today, do us a favor. Please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Today, we're going to traverse the world of travel hacks, specifically focusing on secret packing tips for flying carry-on only. We'll be unveiling 6 little-known hacks that will revolutionize your travel experience. So, if the idea of traveling light while carrying everything you need appeals to you, stay tuned. Now fasten your seatbelts as we launch into our first travel hack. Hack number 1. Choose your bag wisely. The bag you choose for your journey can make or break your travel experience. A durable, versatile, and compact bag can be your best travel partner. It will withstand the rigors of travel, adapt to your needs, and help you avoid those pesky baggage fees. Now let's talk compartments. Multiple compartments in a bag aren't just for show. They help you organize your items, allowing for easy access and preventing your clothes from becoming a jumbled mess. And here's a tip. Always check whether your bag is an airline-approved carry-on size. This can save you a lot of stress at the airport. Some airlines have strict size restrictions, and you don't want to be that person with the oversized bag at the gate. Remember, a good bag is the foundation of efficient packing. Moving on to hack number 2, mastering the art of rolling. Now this isn't just about making a fashion statement, it's about maximizing space and minimizing wrinkles. You see, when we fold our clothes, we create creases, but when we roll them, we not only save space but also keep our clothes wrinkle-free. Let's break it down. Begin with laying out your clothing item flat, smooth out any creases or wrinkles with your hands, then start rolling from the bottom up, making sure it's as tight as possible without stretching the fabric. This technique works wonders for t-shirts, jeans, and even your delicate dresses. For bulkier items like sweaters or jackets, it's best to fold them into a compact shape before rolling. Remember, every square inch counts when packing your carry-on, so roll it up and save that precious space. Hack number 3 is all about what you wear versus what you pack. Now this might sound like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many overlook this simple strategy. The idea is to wear your heavier items during the flight to save space in your carry-on bag. Think about it. That bulky winter jacket, those hiking boots, or that chunky sweater you're planning to pack? Why not wear them instead? Not only will this save you precious space, it can also act as an extra layer of comfort during your flight. After all, airplanes can get chilly. But here's where the balance comes in. It's crucial to remember that while practicality is key, comfort shouldn't be compromised. You're going to be in those clothes for a good few hours, so choose wisely. Wear something that is heavy enough to make a difference, but comfortable enough not to become a burden. Wear your bulk, save your space. Hack number 4, utilize every space. When it comes to packing for carry-on travel, each corner of your bag is precious real estate. The goal here is to make every inch count. Yes, you heard it right, every single inch. For example, consider the insides of your shoes, perfect hideaways for socks or small items. And it's not just about filling up the gaps, it's about smart organization too. Packing cubes are a game changer in this regard. These nifty little containers help you compartmentalize your luggage, keeping everything neat and easily accessible. Even the spaces inside packed items can be put to good use. Try rolling your shirts or dresses around bulkier items like chargers or toiletries. This technique not only saves space but also prevents your clothes from wrinkling. Remember, the goal here isn't to stuff your bag to bursting. Rather, it's about maximizing utility, minimizing clutter, and making your travel experience smoother. Every inch counts when you're flying carry-on only. Moving right along to hack number 5, minimize toiletries. You know, those little bottles of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash can take up a lot of space. Not to mention, they're subject to strict regulations when flying carry-on only. So what's the solution? Travel-sized toiletry items, of course. These are your best friends when packing light. Consider also solid toiletries. Yes, you heard that right. Solid shampoos, conditioners, and even toothpaste are not only compact and lightweight, but they also bypass the liquid restrictions. Now, another option is to buy some items at your destination. This can be a fun way to try local products, and it's another great strategy to reduce your luggage weight. Remember, the goal is to pack as light as possible. Be mindful of the liquid restrictions and be creative with your choices. Travel light and let your destination surprise you with some necessities. And finally, hack number 6, prioritize and eliminate. This is a game changer for those who struggle with overpacking. The key is to be brutally honest with yourself about what you need versus what you just want to bring. Start by laying out everything you think you'll need for your trip. Then, take a good hard look at each item. Ask yourself, will I use this multiple times during my trip? If the answer is no, it's a prime candidate for elimination. Think about the space each item takes up and weigh it against its utility. That bulky sweater might be cozy, but is it worth the room it occupies in your bag? And what about that third pair of shoes? Could you make do with just two? Packing is a balancing act between want and need, comfort and practicality. But once you master the art of prioritizing and eliminating, you'll find you can travel lighter and smarter. Remember, when in doubt, leave it out. And there you have it, 6 travel hacks for flying carry-on only. We've covered everything from selecting the right bag, mastering the art of rolling, packing light but wearing heavy, utilizing every inch of space, minimizing toiletries, to the ultimate skill of prioritizing and eliminating. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a savvy traveler. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Safe travels, and we'll see you in our next video.